Hello, this is Christina from Guangzhou Rongda. I'm so glad to be here introducing our company. We are manufacturer for gluing machine more than 20 years. We show very good reputation on the market. Today I will introduce you our automatic gluing machine. Please follow me. This machine is suitable for box case maker. It can make a very high quality of boxes. The machine is very easy to operate. We have different language. See, feeding the gray board. Feeding the gray board. This is the finished product. It can make a very high quality of the box. For more information, please attention Rongda channel. Thanks for your attention.